Okay guys, I've got a little art and design project for you that I'd like to have a go at. And what we've got down here is just a stone that we picked up off the beach or off a garden somewhere and have painted it, and I'll show you how you can do something along these lines. Here are some more examples of a heart, a little bumblebee, and then just a nice pattern that we've done on a stone. Don't feel as though you've got to do it on a stone. You could do it on a nice big piece of wood, make a nice pattern, or even on a plant pot or something like that. So the way that we did this one was, first of all, made a tracing of a drawing that we found in a book. And if you haven't got any tracing paper at home, just use some greaseproof paper. Do a tracing, cut it out and make a template. And then quite simply just draw around that using a pencil. What I then did was painted using lots of different old emulsions that I had in my garage, and you can see that you can just paint on the stone and build it up nice and gradually. If you don't have any paints, then you can use pens and they can make a nice colour. Sharpies are good. So once you've got your pattern and you've drawn it out and you've painted onto the stone or the piece of wood or the plant pot, once it's dry you can use a clear varnish, and that will then seal it all in and make it waterproof, and it makes a nice doorstop or an ornament in the garden. One other thing that you might like to do is to find a old branch or a stick, and you can decorate that and paint it up all nice different colours. So what I'm looking for is a nice colourful, well designed piece of work from yourself that you can then eventually, when we go back to school, bring it in, and we're going to make a nice big display around the art and DT block. And in the meantime, please send me a photograph so that I can publish some, and let's see all your brilliant work. Well done.